everyone. Welcome back to the Wisdom English podcast channel. Here, learning English is easy and fun. I am Sarah.
And I am Brian. Hello, Sarah.
Hello, Brian. How are you doing today?
I am doing fantastic, thank you. The sun is shining outside.
It is a beautiful day. I have my cup of tea right here.
Perfect. I am really excited for our topic today.
It is a big one. It is very important.
But before we start, everyone, please give this episode a like.
Yes, click that little thumbs up button.
And if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe to our channel.
Share it with your friends. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it does. Okay, Sarah, I am ready.
What are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about a big challenge.
We are talking about how to stop translating in your head.
Translating. I know this problem well.
You hear something in English and you freeze.
Yes, your brain goes, wait, what is that in my language?
Exactly. You think in your first language.
And then you try to find the English words.
It is a lot of work for your brain.
It is like a 3-step process. It's exhausting.
Me too. And what is the biggest problem with that?
The problem is, it is very, very slow.
Yes. While you're translating, the conversation is moving on.
Exactly. You feel like you're always behind.
It makes speaking very difficult.
And sometimes the words are not the same.
Right. Direct translation can sound strange.
Or it can be totally incorrect.
So translating is slow and causes mistakes.
Yes. The goal is to think in English.
We want a direct connection.
Like a direct road from your brain to your mouth.
No stops in another language.
Okay. We have solutions, right?
Of course we do. We have 5 simple tips.
Fantastic. I am ready for tip number 1.
Tip number 1 is start small.
Very, very small?
Yes, start with single words.
Like what?
Look around you right now, Brian. What do you see?
I see a desk. I see a lamp.
Perfect. When you look at the lamp, think lamp.
Just lamp, not the word in my language.
Exactly. See the object, think the English word.
Pen, door, window.
You get it. You are labeling the world.
I am an English labeling machine.
Yes. Do this every day for 5 minutes.
That is easy. I can do that.
It builds a direct connection. No middleman.
I love it. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is use pictures.
Pictures. Everyone loves pictures.
You can use flashcards. Do you know flashcards?
Yes, small cards for studying.
On one side, put a picture, like a sun.
A bright yellow sun. Okay.
On the other side, write the word sun.
I see. So I look at the picture and I think sun.
Yes, you don't think of the word in your language.
The image connects to the English word.
Exactly. Pictures are universal.
An apple looks like an apple everywhere.
Correct. So connect the image to the English word.
That is a great way to learn vocabulary.
It is. Okay, we have words. What about sentences?
Sentences are harder.
Tip number 3 is simple sentences.
How simple?
Think about how you feel. Are you happy?
I am very happy right now.
Great. Feel the emotion and think, I am happy.
Connect the feeling directly to the English phrase.
Yes! Don't translate. Just feel and think.
I am hungry. I am tired.
Exactly. You can also do this for actions.
Actions like what?
When you drink water, think, I drink water.
Ah, like I am narrating my life.
Yes. When you sit down, think, I sit down.
That makes sense. No translation, just action and word.
It creates a strong link in your brain.
It just takes practice, right?
A little bit every day. It becomes natural.
Okay. What is tip number 4?
Tip number 4 is fun. Watch and listen.
Watch what? This podcast?
Yes, but also cartoons.
Cartoons for children.
Yes, because they are visual.
Ah, you can see what is happening.
Exactly. If the character throws a ball, you see the ball.
So you understand the context immediately.
You don't have time to translate.
You just watch and understand.
It is a passive way to learn.
What about songs?
Simple songs are great too, especially songs with actions.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
A classic. You move your body and learn the word.
So watch cartoons and listen to songs.
10 or 15 minutes a day. It's not studying. It's fun.
I like fun, but Sarah, is this easy?
That brings us to tip number 5.
What is it?
Tip number 5 is be patient.
Be patient. That is hard.
Learning to think in English is a new skill.
It is like learning to walk.
Exactly. You will fall down. You will make mistakes.
And that is okay?
It is totally okay. Be kind to yourself.
So if I translate by accident, I shouldn't be angry?
No, just say, oops, and try again.
Small steps.
Progress is more important than perfection.
I like that. Mistakes are our friends.
They are our teachers.
Wow, these are great tips. Let's review quickly.
Good idea. Tip 1. Start small with words.
Look at a chair, think chair.
Tip 2. Use pictures.
Connect the image to the word.
Tip 3. Simple sentences.
I am happy. I opened the door.
Tip 4. Watch and listen.
Cartoons and songs. Use your eyes.
And tip 5. Be patient.
Be kind to your brain.
That is it. It is all about practice.
Over time, thinking in English will become easy.
And your conversations will be faster.
That is the goal, to speak naturally.
It all starts with one word.
I am looking at my microphone. I am thinking microphone.
You are doing it!
This was a great episode, Sarah.
Thank you, Brian. And thank you to our listeners.
Yes, thank you, everyone.
We hope these tips help you stop translating.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Wisdom English podcast.
And share this video with a friend.
We have a question for you today.
Yes. Look around you right now.
Tell us one thing you see.
Write the English word in the comments.
Is it a phone, a cat, a window?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Keep practicing, everyone.
See you next time. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.